If you're looking for the best carpet cleaner for deep cleaning your carpets, rugs, armchairs, or even the interior of your car, this video is for you. Today, we're going to compare 3 must-have models that dominate the carpet cleaner market. Whether you need to disinfect your surfaces, remove the most stubborn stains, or give your interior a new lease of life, these products are here to help you. You'll find the names and updated prices of the products in the description, just below. So, stay tuned, because we're starting our top 3 right away. Here we go. In top 3, we have the Black & Decker Steam Mop. We start our ranking with this steam mop by Black & Decker, a brand well known for its high performance and reliable household appliances. This model is both a steam mop and a handheld cleaner, which makes it particularly versatile for cleaning floors, carpets, rugs, but also furniture and other hard-to-reach surfaces. It operates with a power of 1300 watts, which allows it to generate a constant flow of steam at 72 degrees Celsius, perfect for removing all kinds of dirt. With its 380 milliliters capacity tank, it offers you 15 minutes of autonomy, more than enough to clean a room or 2 without interruption. Its lightweight design, weighing only 1.75 kilograms, ensures easy handling, even with one hand. The 4.8-meter cable allows appreciable freedom of movement, especially in large rooms. This steam mop comes with 10 accessories, including a microfiber pad, a squeegee, round brushes, including a copper one for joints, and an adapter frame for carpets and rugs. These accessories are ideal for deep cleaning and adapt to different types of surfaces. In addition, it is eco-friendly. You do not need to use chemicals. The high-temperature steam is enough to disinfect and eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria. This is a huge advantage for families with children or pets. The main advantages of this model are Kiss and Smile versatile with its 10 accessories, and its ease of use elimination of bacteria without chemicals. Lightweight and easy to handle. In addition to being a steam mop, it can also be used as a hand cleaner, perfect for small surfaces or hard-to-reach areas. Its fast heating time, only 25 seconds, but, despite its qualities, it also has some drawbacks. Limited autonomy of 15 minutes. May be insufficient for large surfaces. Some users may find the water tank a little small, requiring frequent refills. Requires an electric cable to operate. In summary, the Black + Decker is an excellent choice if you are looking for a versatile, easy to use, and environmentally friendly device. In top 2, we have the Karcher Shea 4 Plus Shampooer. Let's now move on to the second product in our ranking, the Shea 4 Plus Shampooer from Karcher. If you are a fan of big brands and are looking for a shampooer that can clean carpets, upholstered furniture, and even hard floors, this machine is a particularly interesting option. The Shea 4 Plus is an all-in-one device that combines dry vacuuming, wet vacuuming, and the shampooer function. Its 1.34 horsepower motor provides enough power to vacuum up dissolved dirt while cleaning thoroughly. The removable water tanks, with a capacity of 4 liters each, clean water and dirty water, allow you to work for a long time without interruption. The clean water tank is also translucent and shock resistant, which makes it easy to fill and maintain. This model comes with a complete set of practical accessories, nozzles for hard floors, furniture, crevices, as well as a special nozzle for armchairs. All these accessories can be stored directly on the device, which is a real space saver. One of the highlights of this carpet cleaner is its cleaning efficiency, especially thanks to its spray extraction capacity. This means that water and detergent are sprayed deep into the textile fibers, which allows dirt to be loosened and sucked up quickly, thus reducing drying time. The wet and dry vacuuming is another major advantage of this product. You can use it as a classic vacuum cleaner to vacuum up dust or as a wet vacuum cleaner to clean up liquid spills. And if you have particularly dirty carpets or rugs, the large surface cleaning accessory is there to help you get rid of them. Some of the advantages of this model include wet and dry cleaning capability, its extreme versatility and high cleaning capacity. Whether for deep cleaning your carpets or vacuuming dust on hard floors, the Shea 4 Plus is a device that adapts to all situations. Large capacity water tank, practical accessories for different surfaces. The disadvantages: quite heavy at 10.6 kilograms. However, its weight of 10.6 kilograms can make it a little difficult to handle, especially on stairs or in tight spaces. Takes up space for storage. In addition, the cost of Karcher accessories and cleaning products can be quite high, which is something to consider. In conclusion, the Karcher Shea 4 Plus is ideal for those looking for a complete solution for home cleaning, combining several functions in one robust and efficient device. If you can handle its weight and price, it is a worthwhile investment. In top 1, we have the Bissell SpotClean. Finally, our number 1 in this top is the Bissell, a portable device designed to remove the most stubborn stains on your carpets, rugs, upholstery, and even the interior of your car. This model combines performance, innovation and compact design, making it particularly suitable for those who want a deep clean without the hassle of a bulky device. The Bissell SpotClean works with a 330-watt motor and uses heatwave technology to maintain a constant cleaning temperature throughout the operation. This guarantees continuous and efficient performance, even for the most difficult stains such as coffee, red wine or fruit juices. With a noise level of 74 decibels, it remains relatively quiet for a device of this type. One of the most practical aspects of this model is its 1.5-meter hose, which allows you to reach hard-to-reach areas, such as corners, stairs or car seats. The clean water tank has a capacity of 1.1 liters, and the dual tank system separates clean water from dirty water, ensuring hygienic cleaning. The tanks are also easy to fill and empty, making maintenance of the appliance much simpler. The Bissell SpotClean comes with a special accessory for stubborn stains, ideal for targeting embedded dirt. This accessory works by injecting hot water combined with a cleaning solution directly into the fibers, then vacuuming up the dissolved dirt. For optimal results, it is recommended to use Bissell cleaning formulas, specially designed for this type of appliance. The advantages of this model are numerous: portable and compact, easy to use, constant water temperature for better efficiency, ideal for small surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. However, like any device, it also has some disadvantages. Water tank a little small for large surfaces. The clean water tank with a capacity of 1.1 liters may require frequent refills if you have large surfaces to clean. Can be noisy with its 74 decibels. In summary, the Bissell SpotClean is the ideal tool for those looking for a portable, efficient and easy-to-use device to remove difficult stains. Its advanced technology and well-thought-out features make it the best choice for deep cleaning, whether at home or in your car. There you have it. We've reviewed the 3 best carpet cleaners on the market today. Whether you choose the Black & Decker for its versatility, the Karcher Shea 4 Plus for its deep cleaning capabilities, or the Bissell SpotClean Pro Heat for its portability and effectiveness on tough stains, each model has its own advantages that will meet specific needs. Be sure to check out the product links and prices in the description below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more comparisons and handy tips for maintaining your home.